Welcome to this Pedagogy Premiere digital tip video.
Let's explore the pens in Smart Notebook. On your menu bar, locate the pen icon, and when you click here, it'll open up the pen menu. If I'm using this with a smart board or a smart screen, as soon as I pick up a pen, this menu will open as well, and it will show me which pen is selected and the colour. From here, I can change the colour of the pen. Got more colours available here, and I can also change the line style as well and the thickness. From this little menu, I can choose different pens. These are all great for different contexts, and I would simply just click on one of the pens, for example crayon, decide which colour, change the thickness if I want to. I'm going to make this pen really thick, and then I can use it to write, draw, and use however I need. If I want to change the pen, I just click back onto the pen type, and then I can choose another one. Let's have a look at how we could use one of the pens. So I've taken a photograph here of a book that we're currently reading in the class, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the highlighter pen on. I'm going to make sure it's nice and thick, and I'm going to use this to highlight particular words in our story. So maybe we're looking for weather words, so we're talking about the rain and the sun. We could then change the colour to look at some different words, so we're identifying where it's talking about Katie Morag or Granny or any of the other characters. And we can use the highlighter pen to highlight text in different ways. Let's say I'm practicing some handwriting with my class, and from the gallery I've located one of the handwriting images and I've got the letter A here. Now I could use the normal pen and ask class to come up and trace around that letter, but what I could do is we could use one of the creative pens. You can see here there's all different options, so I'm going to choose the smiley face one, and I'm going to write my letter A using smiley faces. If I want to change that, I can just choose one of the different options, and I can use these pens as I wish. Talking of handwriting, you may have discovered that in the gallery there is some handwriting backgrounds as well, and this can help us to practice. And again, I might use the crayon here, and I'm going to have a go at writing within the handwriting lines. Some of the other pens that we have in here is a text pen. So if I write a word with this, it will recognise, and I can change it so that it says that in typed text. There's also a shape recognition pen. Great for if I'm not quite accurate when drawing my shapes, you can see it will change it automatically for me into the shape that I'm trying to draw. You may have noticed there's the magic pen as well, so go and check out our little video about how to use that. The different pens give you that choice of how you want to interact with content within the Smart Notebook or on your smart board or smart screen. So go and have a little explore and let us know, what are your favourite pens, or what are some of the ways that you found to use these in creative ways?
Thank you for watching.